There we go. We've got a whole pile of teeth, and I need more. We need dramatic effect, so this is for a whole porch, so we're gonna get more pool noodles. Pool noodle into 2 teeth. So I'm gonna fold it in half. That's how I do it. You do it your own way. Now I'm gonna go on the outside of this one and the inside of this one and connect them. That way we'll get 2 teeth at the same time. So you don't have to keep it in half. So I'm gonna cut the sharp tooth here. And then I'm gonna bring it all the way down. It's like hard to see afterwards. Where'd it go? Sharp tooth, okay. There's the sharp pointy part. And then all the way down. Now I'm gonna go on the inside of this one. Sharp pointy part here, all the way down. When that first started. It's almost invisible. Sharp pointy part, connect. And now all the places I missed are going to still be stuck a little bit. You can use your razor, or it might pop apart easily if it's just a small connection. It's not. That's it. Okay. Now we've got 2 teeth with the maximum length. Pointy parts. And then it's going to get bigger here. Now if you want it bigger here, wider, now you can cut this on this side. Cut this down 5 inches, 4 inches, whatever, and pop it apart. And now it's wider. You can even crack it, it doesn't matter. And fill that with foil. So you got a wider tooth. Here are some of my supplies. That's 20. I've got actually 31 pool noodles altogether. I might not use them all, but we want to make it more dramatic. I just don't know if my health will let me just keep going. So I'm going to go as far as I can. Masking tape. My son calls paper mache because you use a lot of tape. So I got this. Great stuff. Gaps and cracks. If you use this, use gloves, or make sure your hands are wet. Make sure this is, you spray this with a little sprayer of water. Here's some teeth colors. I've already got white in the garage, but you know, there's that off-white because we don't want white teeth. A little brown for around the gums. I got some chocolate brown in the garage. High gloss clear. This for the wallpaper paste. Wallpaper paste instead of glue for paper mache. So then this is like the stuff you lay down for painting. And I might not have enough newspaper, and people don't buy the newspaper anymore. I don't even know if we've got one locally that's actually printed on paper. And the last of my paper mache paper. So that's what I've got. Oh, and throwing the tin foil and a couple razor blades, and that's kind of what you need so far. I'm just crumble some foil and stick it in this, the thicker end, to make it thicker and lighter. And then you can keep going. Now when you cover this with foil, that makes it easy to bend into shape. It makes it stronger. And I don't want it to look like a pool noodle, so you can use all white pool noodles and do a better job cutting, and then you've got your teeth. But my Dollar Tree had only 1 white, so now I'm going to cover it with foil and masking tape and then paper mache. I know that sounds like too much, but that's how I decided I want to do it. So here we go. There we go. We've got a whole pile of teeth, and I need more. We need dramatic effect. So this is for a whole porch. So we're gonna get more pool noodles.